All right, here we are with Kool Cat Eco Tours, driving our own little catamarans.
We need to buy one for the beach house. It's nifty.
Here's where we are. Yay! Yes.
Get out. Jump out. I'll pick you up when I come back.
Go ahead. Go ahead. All right, she just found a little whelk. I found coral that she said is masquerading as a seashell.
It was a shell.
No, it wasn't. It's Captain Derrick over there. Where is Captain Derrick? Captain Derrick over there. There we go, that's
Hey,
him.
everybody.
Kool Cat Eco Tours, right?
Kool Cat Eco Tours.
From Naples or Marco?
Naples, Marco, right in between.
Right in between.
Rookery Bay.
There we go. That's it.